Take two hands, put it on your belly. What you're going to do is you're going to use your stomach muscles. They're there, I promise you. Okay, they might be buried, but they're there. So what you're going to do is, when you use your stomach muscles, you're going to breathe in and watch. Ready? Here comes a visual aid for you. What you're going to do is you breathe in, and you push your stomach muscles out like that. So bored. And then what you're going to do is, you're going to pull your stomach muscles in. They do exist. And you actually use your stomach. Like, you know when you walk by the mirror every time after a shower? Right, okay? So you're going to pull your stomach muscles in and breathe out. You're going to stick your stomach muscles out and push out while you breathe in. So I'm going to show you. So you start regular like this, and first of all, you're going to breathe in. And then you breathe out. And then you breathe in and make your belly big. And then you're going to breathe out and pull your belly in to make it small. Alright, so ready? Try to do it with your eyes closed. 3 breaths, intentional belly breathing. Ready, set, go. Breathe in. And breathe out. I like the way you're breathing and not talking. I like the way you're breathing and not talking. Take 2 more breaths for yourself. Breathe in and out. Okay, so before I ask, how many people just feel a little more relaxed or a little more calm after those 3 to 5 breaths? So how often do you actually take breaths for yourself? That's what this wristband is for. If you wear this wristband, all you do is at one point, you look down and you breathe. Oh, cool. That's free, by the way. You haven't figured out, they charge us for water somehow, but we haven't figured out a way how to get charged for air yet. Yeah, don't worry, someone will figure it out.